Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do flying knee in UFC 6. So performing the flying knee is really easy, but before that you need to make sure the fighter you're using has the flying knee move available. And to check the move, firstly pause your game, then go to view moves. After that you need to switch over to the kicks category. Scroll down under this category until you find the flying knee move. So I need to scroll down here, and there you go, we have this rear flying knee which can be performed by pressing R2 plus L1 plus circle on PlayStation or RT plus LB plus B on Xbox. And if you have more than one flying knee available, then you can check the controls next to the move. Now I need to go back into the game, then press the key combination. It was R2 plus L1 plus circle, and there you go, we have this flying knee. On Xbox it is RT plus LB plus B, and there we have it. In case your fighter doesn't perform the flying knee, then just try changing your stance from southpaw to orthodox or vice versa, and then try to press the key combination and your fighter will perform the flying knee. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.